Because it's not going to be like perfectly parted, because like I said, I'm making it by myself. So guys, I already have this style. Like, this is what I want to be using for my hair. This darling crochet hair. So you guys can see, I just wanted to make spring twists. Like, I'm going to put insert the picture up here so you guys will see the style that I want to make. So guys, stay tuned to the end of this video to find out. So guys, I already started making the hair. I started like, so I want to show you guys. Separate it like this. I like picking every strand because once I believe that anything you use will grow, just like your muscles. So I pick the strands because I feel like if they are left out, they're going to be dried and they're going to spoil. So
A few moments later.
this is how it looks like. The first two is very it's very tiny, and I don't think I'm going to use it like this one. This two, but I like the way this turned out. Something about making your own hair. You can make adjustments anytime you want.
Several days later.
So guys, this is exactly 2 days later from this video that you just saw, and this is how far I've gone. Let me show you. This is how it looks. This is how. That's why this is. That's how it looks. This is the amount of hair that is left. The hair, because it's not going to be like perfectly parted, because like I said, I'm making it by myself. So I just said let me just pop in here and like the rest of the hair. So far I've used, okay, don't worry, let me finish the hair and I'll not come back. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away, let it go. This is what is left. There's the last one. This is how it turned out. So this is how it looks. No! So I want to trim the hair now. As I'm done with the hair, this is what the hair looks like. I have to be fast. I used one pack of this hair and a handful of the second pack to make this full hair. You can see this is how full it is. concealer piece. I'm coming. I use this to get this lip combo. So guys, I'm done with the transformation. So this is the glow up. Yeah guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now so yes, like I feel like a completely different person, even though I know that this is not going to like last for a long time. Honestly, you have to keep redoing it, like keep refreshing your look, change your hair, you know, put some makeup once in a while, learn how to do your own lip combo. I have a tutorial, by the way, on my channel. If you want to check that out, then I'm going to put the link down in the description. Yeah, so